See my screen, no?
Yeah, now it is there.
Please go to the title of the document. Only we want evidence, that's all. What is the title?
Engineering execution plan.
Okay. So I will put here engineering execution plan. Is mentioned in engineering execution plan. Okay. So now we want to see MOC procedure. You have a MOC procedure to identify all the management of change, and there is a risk assessment if there is any change. And you have any DCA
Yeah,
change?
yeah, see, in this one we have describe the project execution strategies. All this is from sourcing, project demobilization, kickoff meeting, data inputs, design basis, need list, project review
Yes,
meetings
okay.
weekly. Yeah, and here you are asking about the risk review management plan and all. No? That also we have included.
Now we want to see the MOC procedure.
MOC, can you please elaborate? MOC means?
Yeah. Management of change procedure. Engineering execution plan is okay. Do you have the document of MOC?
Sometimes people say design change note or engineering change note.
DCN.
DCN. DCN.
Okay. So
before going that, can you say, can you open the EDDR, the latest EDDR? In that you can quickly filter all these deliverables. Can you share the EDDR?
DCS and also it is not in the EDDR. DCS and all we are separately submitting. Okay. I'll show you.
Just for one example.
Okay. DCS I will show you.
Yeah. Please show one example. Yeah. DC procedure in there and change are being recorded as correct. Project has developed a management change.
You can see the DCS here. Okay, I will show you one DC.
Yeah,
just
one example.
Yeah. But whatever you are showing to the forum, you have to share the document to me. I have to submit to the chat.
Okay, no problem.
See,
this is the DCS, one of the DCS we complete, we submitted.
Yeah.
It is in that not
perform.
Very
okay. And do you do some risk assessment here? Because the design